Imagine needing a human alarm clock to start your day. Before the invention of the modern alarm clock, people in Britain and Ireland relied on knocker-uppers to wake them up. These early risers were hired to tap on windows with long sticks or shoot peas from a blowgun to ensure their clients made it to work on time. With industrialization booming, punctuality became crucial, and these human alarms played a vital role in keeping the workforce on schedule. Dressed in warm clothes, knocker-uppers would patrol the streets in the wee hours, memorizing intricate routes and specific wake-up times for each household. They charged a small fee for their services, and their reliability was so valued that some clients were willing to pay extra for repeat knocks to ensure they woke up. This profession thrived from the late 18th century until the 1950s, when affordable alarm clocks became widespread, marking the end of a peculiar yet essential job that kept the wheels of industry